Imagine biting into a homemade glazed donut. The exterior, a perfect balance of crispy and sticky, gives way to a pillow-soft, fluffy interior. The sweetness of the glaze, with its hint of vanilla, works in harmony with the slightly yeasty, buttery flavor of the dough. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that makes every bite a delight. To begin this flavorful journey, gather all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, warm milk, unsalted butter, large eggs, vanilla extract, salt, vegetable oil, powdered sugar, and milk. These simple ingredients, when combined with a little patience and love, will yield the most delectable donuts. Begin by proofing the yeast in warm milk. This activates the yeast, setting the stage for a dough that rises beautifully. While the yeast froths up, mix together the dry ingredients and add the wet ones, including the yeast mixture. The resulting dough should be soft and pliable. Next, knead the dough on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. This step develops the gluten in the dough, creating a structure that will hold onto the gases released by the yeast, resulting in a fluffy donut. After kneading, let the dough rest and rise. This first rise allows the yeast to work its magic, doubling the dough in size. Once risen, roll out the dough and cut it into donuts. A second shorter rise helps the cut donuts puff up before they hit the hot oil. Frying the donuts transforms the dough into golden rounds of goodness. It's important to maintain the right oil temperature for a perfect fry. Once fried to a beautiful golden brown, drain the donuts to remove excess oil. While the donuts cool slightly, prepare the glaze by whisking together powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. The glaze should be smooth and pourable, ready to coat each warm donut in a sweet shell. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring an even coating, then let the excess drip off. As the glaze sets, it forms a sweet, slightly crispy shell that contrasts beautifully with the soft, fluffy donut inside. Homemade glazed donuts are a labor of love that yields a treat truly worth the effort. So why not venture into the kitchen and give this recipe a try? There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of biting into a delicious donut made from scratch. Enjoy the process and indulge in the sweet, satisfying result.